Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings in Instacart Shopper app with instant cash step by step clearly. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are on the home screen, look for the menu icon in the upper left corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the sidebar. In the sidebar, locate and select the earnings option. This will take you to your earnings summary page. Here, you will see your total earnings, past payouts, and upcoming pay periods. To withdraw your earnings, find the Withdraw button. Tap on the Withdraw button to proceed. You will now see the available balance that you can withdraw. If you want to use instant cash, ensure you have enabled this feature in your account settings. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. After selecting the amount, review the transaction details. Then, proceed by tapping the Confirm button. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if you haven't provided it yet. Fill in the required payment details accurately. Once everything is confirmed, tap on Submit to finalize the withdrawal. A notification will appear, confirming your transaction has been completed. Your funds will be transferred to your selected payment method instantly. To check the status of your withdrawal, return to the Earnings section in the app. Here, you will see the updated balance reflecting the amount withdrawn. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.